Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Tim and I'm the ADD entrepreneur, and I recently started the vending machine business and I've been doing pitches and cold calls lately. So today's video is going to be another cold call pitch video. I'm going to take you along with me, show you how I do it, and I think that this video will mark one of my last cold call videos for a while, and you know what, I'll explain why later on in the video, so make sure you stick around, and I think it's going to be a good day. Hey, every day is a good day as long as you're out there doing something. We got to get that last machine placed because right now it's making us this much money. Alright guys, stick around. Get all my hairs cut, and then I'm going to go buy some shoes because my shoes are all jacked up. They got paint all over them. But first, we got to paint this cabinet. So, oh yeah, I got to sand this. All right, now let's get a haircut and we'll go do some cold calls. Let's see, we gotta get this machine placed. It's not making me any money sitting in the shed, guys. I got a couple places that I think I can call to, and then 2 or 3 places I'm just gonna run up in there and make them take our vending machine. Today's the day. We're gonna find a home for this old girl. I'm telling you, I just got a good feeling that it's gonna happen today. You want to go home? She wants to go home. She wants to be loved. She doesn't like being held up in here all by herself. Don't worry. We're going to find you a home today. All right, there's tons of people over here, so I'm going to go in and see if these guys might be interested in putting a soda machine. Hey, I could put energy drinks in it. How you doing, man? Is somebody in charge, like the boss or manager or somebody around?
Yeah, just walk around the corner right here and you'll follow the signs into the office.
All right, right. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. Yeah, I was driving by. I finished up a job over here. I got a small paint business that I run, but also I got a small vending machine business. So I was going to stop by and see if you guys might be interested in placing a soda machine in the shop for the guys here. It's free service, you know.
Yeah, if you want to, and you're gonna come monitor it.
Yeah, I'll come keep it clean, keep it stocked, and it's actually a Pepsi machine, but
Okay.
I can put whatever you guys want. Yeah, you know,
Okay.
some adult shock mocha.
They're big energy drink guys.
Okay.
They'll save me probably some labor too. They run the store freaking 8 times a day.
Yeah, see that's what.
Yeah, my paint guys and a couple guys over here. I swear to God, they must treat 500 drinks a day. So yeah, if you did like the bangs or the whatever, put one in, yeah.
Yeah, where would you?
Probably.
Right here.
Yeah, there would be nice. I can run that. We got a plug right around the corner.
Oh man, you guys, I'm so stoked right now. All right, you guys. My 5th cold call. I landed my 2nd location. Oh my goodness. And I didn't even have to go out of my way. And this place is only a few miles. This is just, oh my gosh. Oh my God, dude, I did it. Woo! Oh my God, dude, I did it. Woo! Okay, so, man, oh dude, this is cool, dude. So I want to give a big shout out to Steve Scott, man. Steve Scott. So check it out. They got all kinds of stuff going on. Body and frame, looks like an auto body shop. Dude, super cool. Said yes, you heard it. Oh man, you guys. That's what's up. So get out there. Don't be afraid, man. I drove past this place 2 times. Almost didn't stop. And I was like, oh man, my heart's beating so fast. Okay, so dude, I didn't even have to get a haircut. Look at it. Yeah! Woo! Oh man. Woo! That's what's up. Oh, I'm so stoked. Oh man, you guys, so we found a home for old Bertha here, and we're gonna get her stocked up, get her all dialed in, and then we'll get her delivered probably Monday. Wow guys, I'm so stoked. See what happens when you just take a risk, put yourself out there. It's not as scary as it seems, you know. So I took action, and within 2 weeks we got both machines placed. Now that's pretty incredible. So if you want to see how it goes, I guess I need you to take action and hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like the video, and hit the bell notification if you guys don't want to miss an episode. I'll be doing more episodes, and I'll probably won't see you again until Monday. I got 2 big yard sales that I'm hosting this weekend, so I'm gonna get a lot of footage and put together a pretty epic video for you guys. Hey, thanks again for sticking around, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. in now. Oh god!